Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the update on KDA. Recently, the price of KDA is rejected by this very strong resistance of $2 that was recently working at the resistance here and again worked as a very strong resistance. By the way, this is a complete resistance zone from $2 to $2.50. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from $2 to $2.50 has been previously working as a resistance zone here and resistance zone here and resistance on here, and therefore again it worked as a very strong resistance. Then we had a big drop, and after this recent drop, the price has also broken down this very strong support zone. That was from $1.18 and goes to $1.10. Recently, by the way, we found the support zone. We had a few touch points here when it was working as support. But after the breakdown, since after 18th of December 2024, it was breaking as a very strong resistance. And after stable ejections, we had another big drop. Now, there is a probability of the formation of another down channel. So far, we have only two touch points at the resistance. By the way, the support is quite confirmed, is that we have several touch points at the support like we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce. And if we will have another rejection by this resistance, then this channel can be confirmed. By the way, this time it can, if it will be breaking as a resistance, a firm resistance of this down channel, then it can get rejected from here from 64 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this expected resistance as well. And I would also like to show you a very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for PHA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of KD. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can do that for the past several days. It is getting bounced from this downtrend line support. And here we got only two rejections by this resistance. Therefore, if the price will be once again rejected by this resistance, then this channel formation will be more confirmed. And in case of another rejection, by the way, there is a probability that we may first test this support, quite long-term support of 50 cents that we did not break down so far. And in case of breaking it down, it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 40 cents. And over there, we have another very strong long-term support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents, 4066, 40.66 cents to 36 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong support zone here, and support down here. And again, it can work as a very strong support for the price line of KDA. Now, previously, you can see that we broke out this falling wedge pattern and this downtrend and resistance as well. And the technical target for this breakout from this wedge was here at the top of this wedge. That was approximately at $2. And the price and has already hit that target, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Now we are switched to the 7 day time frame chart, and here you can see that we have already broken out this wedge, but after the breakout, it is getting rejected by this very long-term resistance zone from $2 to $2.50. Therefore, the price and so far could not continue this rally to the upside. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.